In this question, you have to point out the water potential of pure water. Option A, less than 0. It is incorrect because the water potential of pure water is not negative, as a negative water potential occurs when solutes are added. Option B, more than 0 but less than 1. It is also incorrect because water potential cannot exceed 0 for pure water. Option C, more than 1. It is also incorrect because water potential of pure water cannot be greater than 0, as it is the maximum value under standard conditions. Option D, 0. Now the water potential of pure water at standard temperature and pressure is defined as 0. And this serves as the baseline for measuring water potential in other solutions. Hence, it is the correct option.